Please, we want to receive our First Lady, Mother of the Nation, coming in royalty. In our full royal regalia, can we please pave the way? Can we pave the way? Can we stand on our feet to receive the First Lady and Mother of the Nation, Her Excellency, Senator Oluremi Tinubu, CON. We welcome you, Your Excellency, the Mother of the Nation. Thank you very much. We welcome you, Your Excellency, the Mother of the Nation, our First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Her Excellency, Senator Oluremi Tinubu, CON. Can we please welcome her with a round of applause that is deserving?
Ẹ jẹ́ ká pàtẹ́wọ́ tó rinlẹ̀ fún màmá àkọ́kọ́ ní orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà àti láàrin àgbáyé níbi tí gbogbo ọmọ adúláwọ̀ sodo sí ẹja fi àtẹ́wọ́ yẹ wọ̀ sí.
We allow her to get to her seat, and at the right time, we'll be calling for the national anthem, but hold on to it until Her Excellency is settled.
Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa gbádùn orin yẹn lọ nígbà tí màmá wa ń jókòó tí wọ́n kí àwọn lọ́ba lóyè lóyè ká máa. Wọ́n ní ká jẹ́ kí a máa fi àyè gbà. Èní ẹ̀dá fi orin tó dára ká máa fi yé màmá sí ká máa mì ṣe ká máa mì lẹ̀gbẹ̀ bí ìtẹ̀kọ́ bí òkun àgbáyé nígbà tí màmá wa ń kí àwọn lọ́ba.
If we are settled, please can you clear the aisle? All security aides, can you give a state as we call for the national anthem at this point? The first stanza, please.
Shall we put hands together for Her Excellency, the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria? See the way Mama looks very grandiose.
Màmá dùn ún wo gbogbo ìgbà wọ́n ti ẹ̀wá sí ìfẹ́ ilé ọkọ tuntun lónìí. Àmọ́ kú báyìí ni ohun ẹ̀dí ẹ̀mí kú báyìí ẹ̀fẹ́ àwọn ti fàṣẹ lé. Èyí yẹ.
Oluremi Tinubu.